Nathan's wife Amber admits that she's never had a sexual relationship with her husband and questions whether or not she should stay with him in this exclusive My 600 Pound Life premiere preview. My 600 Pound Life returns on November 3rd for the second half of its 9th season. Nathan is starting off his journey in the premiere at 607 pounds and admits that his weight has nearly ruined his marriage. "I want to be off experiencing things with my family, but I can't because of my size," Nathan says in this exclusive preview. "And now I feel like grocery shopping is the only thing that me and Amber have left together, and it's the only thing we do together aside from eating." Amber admits that her relationship with Nathan is very strained because of the care that she has to give him. "I miss being able to have an intimate relationship," she says. "Not like a sexual relationship because Nathan and I have never. That's not what it's about, but just like being able to spend quality time with each other where it doesn't involve care." Amber is scared that she's going to end up like Nathan in 4 to 5 years because she's having trouble doing what I need for myself. "I'm over 400 pounds now. That's what living like this has done for me." She adds that she has severe anxiety, depression issues, and is extremely exhausted. "I just feel like Nathan's just let me down as a husband altogether," Amber confesses. "I'm at a point now every day I question whether or not I should stay. I stay because I have love for Nathan. But I just can't keep going like this, neither of us can." Nathan knows that his marriage is a ticking time bomb if he doesn't get his weight under control. "I feel like I'm a burden to my whole family, and I'm ashamed of that. And if it gets to be too much for Amber, I'm scared she's going to leave me," Nathan says. My 600 Pound Life airs Wednesdays at 8 p.m. on TLC.